So for example, swap USDT to MXC, right? So this is the data that you want to write to the blockchain here. So a user simply access through the major DOM, the MXC, IPFS, this kind of front end.
Our specific smart contract who then allows to swap USDC to MXC.
And then swap USDT to MXC, and this transaction is confirmed by the blockchain here because all the states, all the data, all the contracts are all here. And then user only need to have his own user. Let me be more specific. User is with the user with private key because he needs to have his own private key to write to this blockchain and then do a database writing called swap USDT to MXC. Then his private key will own MXC from his USDT. And everything is done by graphical interface here, IPFS, major.mxc. But if this user don't want to use any front end, they can also send a command. They can also do like traditional way, like 30 years ago, like a DOS system. You can also do a command without graphical interface. Directly use your private key to write something, to read something.
For example, with the Ethers library to directly do it on the terminal.
Yes, exactly.
Or
So this
Foundry.
is so this is what we're talking about, something very kind of simplified and also innovative and also different from 20 years ago, how things are implemented there. So we are going to expand from these three key partners